It's day 5 in Thailand and we are still in Koh Samui. We started the day with a brunch stop at Sip's Happy Cafe. We had bagels, filled croissants and coffee, and it was such a chilled start to the day while we decided on our plans for exploring the island for the day. Next up was Capybara World, so I think this is quite new on the island. There is already a capybara cafe, which I didn't really like the sound of as much because I'm not sure if the animals were inside and like you visited them inside. But here at Capybara World, they were outside swimming in the water and it was just really nice and cute.
He's trying to oh my god, there, kale. He's taking it. Yep.
Oh, they're very spicy.
Oh.
You try that?
Look at the leaves. Look at the leaves. Look at the leaves.
Hello.
I was obsessed with the capybaras, I love them, and I'd say this is easily one of the most fun things that we've done in Thailand so far. The price was 400 baht per person, so around £9. It does include a plate of food to feed the capybaras, and you can also get a drink for yourself before or after that's included in the ticket price. Oh, I wish I came with a dip. They're actually quite nice.
They are.
What's your thoughts? Yeah?
Yeah, pretty
I think they're quite nice.
No?
What were
As
they?
long as you don't give me food poison.
30
30.
baht? 30 baht. After lunch we headed over to the Big Buddha, which is easily one of the most iconic sites in Koh Samui, and it is even more impressive in person.
Which is the Buddha. Good.
I'm literally dripping. I can feel like sweat dripping down my back.
The views at the top were stunning as well, so we did spend some time here taking it all in and having a little bit of a rest because it was so hot here, and there is quite a lot of steps to get up to the top of the Buddha too.
That one comes back. Oh. Okay.
But it's definitely worth it to see the Buddha, the views and the atmosphere as well, so we really enjoyed it here and would recommend. There were some really nice shops at the bottom of the steps as well, and a couple of little cafes. So this is where you would like get dropped off or park up if you were driving. So it's quite handy to have a little wander around the shop, see what they've got, and also stop for a drink as well. We did also explore a few more temples in the area as well. So this was literally less than 5 minutes drive from Big Buddha. And it was 3 temples on a lake, and it was so beautiful, even more stunning that they were all on the water. They were all so intricate and detailed. It was really, really beautiful. I definitely recommend visiting here. And it wasn't something that was kind of planned for us either. We literally just stopped on the way back from Big Buddha, so it's so worth the journey up there.
They're doing the business, aren't they? They're getting all the scan, like.
There were loads of cats around, and we also did see some turtles and some really cool fish in the lake too, so definitely keep an eye out for them.
Hello.
For dinner, we headed out for Thai food, of course. We went to Thai Kitchen 2, I think it's called, on Chaweng Beach Road. Anyway, I've heated this up. I didn't get it heated up in 7-Eleven, so let's try. Also, I got my nails done today, and I got like French, and they were so good. I got them done at Classy Nail Salon in Chaweng. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. That's alright. Not amazing, but quite nice.